Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Pay and verifying identity. Use the phone number and email linked to your device. Once done, select Add a Payment Method and pick prepaid card or UPI without a bank account. Make sure to scan or enter card details accurately or create a UPI virtual ID when prompted. You need a reload source, prepaid card, UPI-enabled wallet, or merchant cash-in. This gets you past setup quickly and positions you to receive funds without linking a traditional bank account. You now focus on the core, receiving funds. First, create or share your UPI virtual ID so senders transfer money to your Google Pay balance. This works without a bank account if Google supports wallet balance in your region. Second, instruct contacts to send through peer-to-peer UPI or scan your QR code. You'll see money in-app instantly. Third, accept merchant cash-in or gift card top-ups at participating stores. These convert cash to Google Pay balance. Each path gives you spendable funds without a bank link. You finish by moving money where you need it. Spend directly via Google Pay for online or in-store purchases, transfer to an eligible prepaid card if supported, or use partner stores to cash out. If you hit limits, complete KYC inside the app, upload ID and selfie to increase caps. This step often resolves hold-ups. If a transfer fails, first check app updates, connectivity, and that the recipient UPI ID or QR is correct. Then retry or contact support if funds are pending.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.